mga ka-workout? It's me again, Celes, and welcome back for another episode of your daily dose of workout. If you are just new to this channel, yes, this episode is for those people who's aiming to get fit at home without any gym equipment at hand. And no, my video upload is not daily or every day, but yes, this workout can help you with your everyday workout, so you can do it daily at home. And if you want to get the latest update with my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, hit the like as well, and share it with your loved ones because sharing is caring, diba? So get ready. Here's what you can do for this item. Let's go! Number 1. Low rows. Start on your kneeling position. Keep your elbows close to the side of your ribs as you pull the towel towards your diaphragm. Secure the squeezing of your back muscles, especially on the mid part. Arms forward to go back to preset. Do this for about 12 to 15 reps times 3 to 4 sets. Number 2. Kneeled lat pull down. To set up, rest your knees on the floor, heels under your glutes, and secure a good foundation to avoid overbending of the hips. Engage your core at all times and keep your chest lifted up. Pull the towel at the opposite ends and feel the contraction of your back, mostly on the mid part. This workout also targets your rear shoulders, bicep, and triceps. Do this for about 12 to 15 reps times 3 to 4 sets. Number 3. Seated lat pull down. This can be an alternative to the latter's workout. To set up, rest your glutes on the floor. Bend the knees to 45 degrees. Rest your heels on the floor and slightly lean back. Make sure your core is engaged to keep your balance. Pull the towel apart at each end. This workout targets your mid-back muscle and also your biceps. Number 4. Back extension. Set up on a prone position. Arms straight on top of the head. Lift your chest off the floor as you make a pull movement, squeezing your back muscles. This targets more on your lower back. Do this for about 12 to 15 reps times 3 to 4 sets. For a bonus workout, here's Renegade Rows. You can do it with bottled waters, 1 liter or 500 ml, or canned goods. Depends with your fitness level. Start with the full plank position, then place the weights under you. Make sure that the alignment of your arm is below your shoulders. Contract your core and glute to maintain a steady hips as much as possible, or perform it with the minimal movements of the hips. Do this for about 10 to 12 reps, then switch the weight on the other side and repeat. No gym equipments? No problem. Again, I hope this video helps you and inspires you to keep moving and to keep yourself active even at home. Watch out for another episode of a daily dose of workout with me again, Celes, your home fitness trainer. If you have any requests, don't forget to message me in my inbox or comment down below. If you need any help with your fitness journey, I will gladly help. So please message me and we will plan it together. Thank you again for your time. Thank you for watching this video. If you are just new to this channel, of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you posted. I'll see you again next week. Have a great day and always keep moving. Fearless. Yeah.